I'm at my aunt's house and we get a call that all 4 of our Huskies escaped. We have a whole neighborhood looking for them. The kids, everyone came finding them. We have already just got them as soon as I pull down the road. But look what we have. What did you do? Get it off. No, don't jump on me right now. What did you do? Oh my goodness. I think a bomb went off in here. Otis, are you proud of yourself? Cub, how about you? Nothing in here. But you guys get anything to say for yourselves, escape artists?